First of all, I want to show you some proof. On the side here, you can see my laptop screen. You see a channel with very few subscribers. Now, as I refresh the page, you'll notice the number of subscribers increasing. I am simply refreshing, and the subscribers keep going up. This method can help you grow your subscribers significantly. Not just that, friends. If you look here at this Instagram account, the followers are increasing instantly because I will also buy Instagram follower services from this site. Plus, this is just the beginning. If you want to increase your watch time as well, this method works for that too. For example, take a look at this channel. In just one day, it has gained 500 hours of watch time and 500 subscribes. Once you have 1,000 subscribers and the required 4,000 watch time, your channel gets monetized and you start making money on the second video of your channel. The method I am about to share with you will help you gain genuine subscribers and watch time, ensuring your channel gets monetized. I'll explain everything in this video. So if you want to grow your subscribers and monetize your YouTube channel with first video, so you can watch this video till the end. But before we dive in, I have a small request. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. If you find this video helpful, do give it a like. Now, let's start the video. So in this video's description, you'll find the site link. So you can directly visit this website called nizop.com, where first of all, we need to create an account, which is super simple. Just sign up using your Google account and log in with it. After that, you'll see the dashboard of the Nizop website, which you can explore. And yes, at the end of this video, I'll share a business idea using Nizop that can help you earn not just hundreds, but thousands of dollars. Here, let me tell you that this website offers services for every social media platform, including popular ones like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and many more. Also, the proof I showed you in the intro, where I bought subscribers and watch time, was through this website. Moreover, if you use Nizop to buy watch time or subscribers, your channel will be 100% monetized. Now, first of all, click on the Services tab on the left-hand side. This will open the Services tab in front of you. Then, click on YouTube, and you'll see all the services related to YouTube, including subscribers, views, likes, watch time, comments, and many more. I'll select the service named YouTube Subscribers Guarantee, which is the third option. Once I click on it, I'll see all the details of the service, such as the cost and specifics. For instance, it says YouTube Subscribers Real Instant, 1-month refill. Low drop, 10% standard 5,000 per day. Below that, you'll find the price, like 1,000 subscribers cost around 10.36 cents. You'll also see a purchase button beside it. Click on it, and a description of the service will appear. Before buying the service, make sure to read the description. Then go to your YouTube channel, copy its link, and paste it into the link box here, as I'm doing. Next, enter the quantity in the quantity box. For example, I'll put 500 here as an example. The cost will appear below, and for me, it's around $5.18, which is quite reasonable. Now, confirm everything, like whether the link you've provided is correct or not, and then click on the purchase button. Your order will be placed and the process will start. Next, let me show you how to buy watch time from this website. Again, click on YouTube, scroll down, and you'll find the service called YouTube Watch Time. Click on it, and its details will appear. First, make sure to read the description, such as your video's length should be more than 7 minutes to apply for watch time. You can also check all the other important details here. Then, repeat the same process we did for buying subscribers. Click the purchase button, complete the purchase, and your order will be placed. Within a short time, you'll see an increase in your channel's subscribers and watch time. Now, coming to the idea I mentioned earlier to earn thousands of dollars. Check out this website where monetized YouTube channels are being sold for around $600. Using Nizop, you can monetize your channel for just $80 and resell it for around $200 or more, making a decent profit. So this was a small video where I showed you how to use Nizop to buy subscribers and watch time. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.